resolution of vector into two rectilinear components. Resolve a vector in two dimensions, two rectilinear components. This is a vector. R vector. This is origin of coordinate system. This is x-axis, y-axis. This R vector is this Ix plus Jy. Displacement in x-axis is x. Make vector, unit vector से multiply कर दिया. I always unit vector along x-axis. J along y-axis. So this is what resolution of vector into rectilinear components, two perpendicular components. Let this be A, this be B, this is C, this is theta. Resolve vector R into components. This is a vector, this vector R. We have resolved it in two components. This is component along x-axis, displacement multiplied by unit vector, multiplied by unit vector. X component. Find those components. Next question. It is x. This OC is magnitude R. This OA is magnitude x. X component is x. X plus R. Right angle triangle. It is cos theta. Then x is what? R cos theta. This is resolution, this is that x component. Y component. Y. This is Y. Y by R. If this is theta, this will be theta. Y by R. It is sin theta. Y, R sin theta. Third. Now my question is, resolution of vector in two components, find those components. This is x component, it is r cos theta, this is y component, this is r sin theta. Now squaring and adding second and third. X square, y square, r square, sin square theta, cos square theta. Or r, it is x square plus y square under the root. In parallelogram law, when vectors are perpendicular, this is one vector x, this is another y, their resultant is this, x square plus y square root. Parallelogram law, triangle law, वहाँ किया था, यही वेक्टर में आ गया. Now question is, resolve vector into components, find those components, so magnitude is this. Now we come to conclusion that R is resolved Ix, Jy and magnitude R is x square y square root. Say this is V, then this component is Vx, theta, towards theta V cos theta, perpendicular V sin theta. Then V vector is what? Ivx J Vy. Velocity along x-axis Vx, y-axis Vy. And magnitude Vx square Vy square root. No question, just applications. This is force. Say this is force. This is force along x-axis. It will be F cos theta. This is angle theta. This is Fy. It is F sin theta. ये theta की तरफ always cos, perpendicular to it there is sin. To resolve F, second question, it is Ifx, it is Jfy, and magnitude, it is Fx square, Fy square root. और देखते हैं हम, this is V, this is theta, this is Vx, and this is what? Vy. Here Vx will be towards theta always cos. Resolve this V towards theta. So it is V cos theta. Perpendicular, it is what? V sin theta. So again, V Ivx J Vy, magnitude V Vx square Vy square under the root. The same was there in parallelogram law. So this is what resolution of vector into rectilinear components. resolution of vector in three rectilinear components R vector, it is I, X, J, Y, K, Z, and R in magnitude X square, Y square, Z square root. F, IFX, JFY, KFZ, and F, Fx square, Fy square, Fz square. I unit vector always along x-axis, J unit vector always along y-axis, K unit vector always along z-axis. B, resolve IVX, JVY, KVZ. And what is V in magnitude? It is Vx square, Vy square, Vz square in the root. This is resolution of a vector. This is another vector. This is another vector. This is what? Displacement. This is what? Force. To resolve 3 dimensions. Question. Aeroplane takes off at angle 30° with velocity 100 km/h. Find horizontal component and vertical components of velocity. This is V, 100 km/h. This is Vx, horizontal component. V cos theta, this is theta. This is Vy, it is V sin theta. Here what? Theta 30°. ये aeroplane takes off. ये parallel run करके takes off at this angle and V 100 km/h. Horizontal component, that is Vx, it is V cos theta, it is V 100 cos 30, it is 100 cos 30, it is 50 root 30 kilometer per hour. Vertical component, that is Vy, it is what? V sin theta, it is V sin 30, V is 100, sin 30 is 1 by 2, it is what? 50 kilometer per hour. Dot product, scalar product, scalar product, dot product. These are two vectors. This is vector A, this is vector B. They are acting at an angle theta. A dot B. A is A. Take B to this side. It will be what? B cos theta. This is dot product. B dot A. B is B. Take A towards B. B A cos थीटा. कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं, या B को A की तरफ ले जाओ, A को B की तरफ ले जाओ. A is A, A यहीं A है, B इधर ले आओगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? B cos थीटा. तो this is dot product. कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं, so it is a scalar quantity. जो भी क्वांटिटी बनेगी, that will be scalar. Properties. First, A dot B, AB cos theta, B dot A, BA cos theta. As no direction, you can write it is as AB cos theta. So, A dot B is B dot A. That is, obey commutative law. This is first property. A dot B is B dot A. This means they obey this law, commutative law. Second, I dot I cos theta, I1 into 1 into cos 0, Why? I along x-axis angle equal vector 0 angle. So it is 0. So it is sorry 1. Hence I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is what? 1. This is second property. Third, I dot j, it is I dot है I वेक्टर नहीं लगेंगे, स्केलर क्वांटिटी है j cos theta. Theta is angle between I and j. A and B में था ये एंगल, तो it is I j cos 90, it is what? 0. So I dot j, j dot k, k dot I is 0. This is what? Dot product or scalar product. Vector product or cross product. These are two vectors. Vector A, this is vector B. They are acting at angle theta. Then A cross B. A is A. यही रखा है A को. B को क्रॉस ले जाइए, ये क्रॉस. This is cross. Cross means perpendicular. A is A. B को A के परपेंडिकुलर ले जाइए. इट इज B sin थीटा. B को इधर लाते हैं cos, इधर लाते तो कहाँ ले जाना है? A क्रॉस B. A is A. टेक B क्रॉस टू A, परपेंडिकुलर टू A इधर. B क्रॉस A. अब now it is direction, so it is a vector quantity. A dot B, AB cos theta. It is scalar. चाहे B ने A की तरफ ले जाओ, A ने B की तरफ ले जाओ, कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं, सो स्केलर. यहाँ क्या है? A B को इधर नहीं लेना, B को कहाँ ले जाना है? क्रॉस. B क्रॉस है, B तो वहीं रखा है हमने, वहीं. A को क्रॉस ले जाओ, यहाँ ले आओ A को, यहाँ परपेंडिकुलर. इधर तो कॉस होता है, इधर जाओगे तो क्या होता है? साइन. तो दिस इज व्हाट? क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. प्रॉपर्टीज. फर्स्ट, A क्रॉस B, AB sin theta. B cross A, BA sin theta. A पहले डायरेक्शन बदल गई. अब ये पहले लिखा डायरेक्शन है इसमें. इट इज sin theta. दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2. फ्रॉम first and second, B cross A is what? Minus A cross B. Not obey. Commutative law. Second, I cross I. It is I sin theta. 1, 1, 0. 0. So I cross I, J cross J, K cross K is what? 0. This is second property. Third property, I cross J. I, J, sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. और 1 भी क्या होगा? वो क्रॉस. I cross J is K. K cross J cross K is what? I. K cross I. It is what? J. I cross J, इनके जो परपेंडिकुलर होगा that is K. J cross K, it is I. K cross I, it is J. So this is what? Dot and cross product. Numerical. A particle start from T0, means origin of coordinate system, with velocity 10 J meter per second, that is J. Initial velocity, that is Ux, 10 meter per second, and moves in xy plane with constant acceleration. It is 8I plus 2J meter per second square. This means Ax is 8 meter per second square, Ay 2 meter per second square. First, at what time x coordinate is 16 meter, x ut plus half at square x, so ux axt square, x is 16, ux, this was uy, j, so ux was 0, 0 into t, half, ax, eight t square, it is 16 4t square, that is t is 4 second. One answer. Second, what is y coordinate? Then y is ut plus half at square. It is uy, it is ay. Y we have to calculate uy. It is 10 t 4 half ay. Ay is 2. T T square 16, this 2 goes with this 2, 40 plus 16, it is 56 meter. Third, velocity at any time v u plus at vx ux axt ux, it is 0. Ax, it is 8 into t. 4, the ux comes out to be again v ux plus axt ux is 0, ax it is 8, t 4 it is 32. Meter per second. Vy uy ayt uy is 10, ay is 2, t 4, it is what, 18 meter per second. Then vx square vy square under the root, this is what, 32 square plus 18 square under the root. Calculate yourself. Or directly v u plus at, what is u? This is 0, this is 10. What is a? A, say A, 64 plus 4 root, it is 10 plus 70 root. Calculate. Same will be the answer. So this is a question of what? Uniform accelerated motion. Another question, find unit vector of a vector 3i minus j plus 2k. Unit vector, we know vector by its magnitude. Vector 3i minus j plus 2k. Magnitude, it is 9, it is 1, it is 4. 3i minus j plus 2k. 14 root, it is 3 by 14 root I, 1 by 14 root j, 2 by 14 root k. This is a question. Another question. Find magnitude of and direction I plus j. Magnitude is 1 square plus 1 square under the root. It is root 2. Direction, let makes angle theta with the x-axis. Then I plus j dot I is I j I it is I dot I plus j dot I. It is I cos theta. It is j dot I cos theta. It is 1. It is 0. I plus j dot I is 1. This means angle. cos theta A dot B by AB. A I plus J dot I, magnitude I plus J, magnitude I dot I, J dot I, this is root 2, this is 1, I dot I is 1, this is 0, root 2, it is 1 by root 2, or theta 45 degree.